David Sinclair researched specific substances that can improve the activity of sirtuins, such as resveratrol, pterostilbene, nicotinamide, NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN. These substances could improve DNA and epigenomic stability and mitigate aging. NMN seems to be the most promising of these. What brand of NMN does David Sinclair recommend? Every morning, David Sinclair takes 1 gram of nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, often mixed in his yogurt. While Sinclair never shares brand names, we recommended Peak Performance NMN Supplement plus resveratrol or Ultra Health Pharmaceutical Grade NMN.
I recommend buying NMN or NR. Well, I don't ever use the word recommend. I'm not a doctor and it's not of me to say. What should people look for? Well, it's GMP, which is a certain grade of material, GMP. You want to look for reputable suppliers. And the material should be light gray or white. Otherwise, it's gone bad. So those are the 3 main things to look for.
What does NMN taste like? Clean NMN is 100% pure without flavor or additives. It has a very slight sour taste to it. However, when placed under the tongue, it is absorbed quickly and the taste dissipates almost instantly.
NMN tastes to me a bit like burnt popcorn, so you'll know you've got the right product. The scary thing is that sometimes NMN isn't even in the product, so I would taste it, and if it tastes a little bit sour, salty, that's probably NMN in that. What I'm trying to work on, and I'll reveal this for the first time here, is a system that allows people to make judgments about the quality, reliability, and the science of supplements, but that'll come out later.
Can NMN increase longevity? Scientists have studied 2 such intermediates, nicotinamide riboside, NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, more extensively than others. Several studies indicate that supplementing with these precursors can increase NAD+ levels and prolong the lifespan of yeast, worms, and mice. Does NMN make you look younger? David Sinclair said, "Our lab demonstrated that giving NMN to mice over 12 months shows remarkable anti-aging effects. Translating the results to humans indicates NMN could provide a person with a metabolism of 10 to 20 years younger."
But I've been taking NMN for at least 5 years, and I started taking it when my inner age from Inside Tracker said that I was 58, and I was 48 at the time, and I thought this is a really bad look, and if I die early, it would just look bad. So I started taking NMN. And I lost some weight. I started taking metformin, continued to lose weight. I lost about 8 to 10 pounds. And my inner age went from 58 to 31.4, which was a great result. And I've kept it low. Actually, my age has been steadily getting younger over the last decade, according to Inside Tracker.
Ichiro Amai at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis is a leader on NMN research. The focus of his lab is basic mechanisms of aging and longevity. His research indicates NMN can possibly slow signs of aging, boost energy, and rejuvenate metabolism. But when it comes to supplements on the market, he shares a stern warning.
I would caution people who are interested in NMN because as far as I can tell, there are only 2 sources of NMN which have been extensively tested in both rodents and humans. And one is unfortunately not commercially available. This particular company is providing NMN as a only research reagent. The other company is providing a commercially available product. But the bottom line is that right now, the production of NMN is not cheap.
That's because he says producing NMN is not easy. Amai won't name what he says is the one true consumer product or company because he won't endorse a product. But he says the price tag for what he calls the real NMN, the real deal, is not considered affordable for everyone, costing an individual many thousands of dollars every year if they were to take them daily. Shin Ichiro Amai is considered an authority on the matter. He is the first researcher to prove that NMN works in mice.
Our lab demonstrated that giving NMN to mice over 12 months showed a remarkable anti-aging effect.
Amai says translating the results to humans indicates that NMN could provide a person with a metabolism of 10 to 20 years younger. So he's continuing his studies with what he feels is the one real nutraceutical, as he calls it, not a supplement. And this time, he's conducting a human clinical trial. 30 people are involved. It's a placebo-controlled study, so only 15 of them are actually given the NMN.
For each person, we are doing an extensive analysis, like a physiological assessments. So it's actually a very intensive study. And the dose we are giving is a 250 milligram per day for 8 to 10 weeks. We don't know the results because it's double-blinded and a placebo-controlled study. So, until we really finish the study and look into all of the results, we wouldn't know if NMN really works or not. NMN is remarkable. There are already thousands of people who are taking NMN out there. And I have heard some anecdotal stories. So, so far, what I have heard is interesting. So we'll see. But, we need to prove the efficacy scientifically in human clinical trial.